Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do a couple pages in our December Christmas math little packet, okay? So last week we worked in the little reading packet, and then we're going to do a few pages in this packet today. So it's a one with the Christmas lights on top, the cute little elf, and the cute little reindeer here, okay? We're going to do 2 pages today. So the first page is going to be really easy. It goes really well with what we did last week, comparing numbers, okay? And I didn't get my number line out or anything. I don't think the kids are going to need it, but if they do, remember a ruler, a number line, or they could actually build the numbers here, you know, with their cubes. So it just says color the boot. First I thought stocking, but I guess that's a boot, right? Color the greater number on Santa's boots red and the lesser number, the smaller number, green. So what I want to do is let's just go ahead and circle the greater numbers, and then we'll go back and color, because otherwise it'll get confusing. So the bigger number, of course, is 6. 6 is bigger than 3. I'm just going to circle it. Okay, if you want to X out that 3, you can. Okay, what number is bigger, 7 or 4? Okay, if you need to, make it, build it. Here's 7, here's 4. Pretty obvious, 7 is bigger than 4. I'll circle that number. Okay, 9 and 8, that's always a little bit harder, but I got 9, I got 8. 9 is bigger, right? Okay, I'm going to 2 and 5. All right, 5 and 6. Here's 5, here's 6. 6 is more. Circle the number that's greater. So sometimes we call it greater, sometimes we call it more, or greater than, or bigger. So you will hear us say all those terms. Okay, so I circled the numbers that is greater. I'm not going to show you all of them because I want you to do your own work. Let me go back here. Oop, forgot to put my name. You put Mrs. Jenkins at the top. Oh, there's a nice line there so you can write your name nice and neat on the lines. All right, so I'm going to read the directions again. Color the greater number red. Okay, and then the smaller number or the lesser number green. So I did this just so that I'm not going to forget up here. Okay, so greater number, the boot is red, so that means 6 was bigger. I'm going to color the boot, but I'm going to leave the fuzzy part on top. I'm going to leave that white because that's the furry part, right? And then the smaller number is going to be green. So you know how sometimes I say you can color is optional. You don't have to color. You need to color because that's what the activity is. The bigger number is red, the smaller is green. So I'll just do a few more. The bigger number between 7 and 4 is 7. So that boot is red. The smaller number is green. So that boot is green. You can color the cute little Santa on the top if you want. I'm just going to do one more. Remember, we compared 9 and 8. 9 is more. 9 is one more, so that's going to be red. Okay. And 8 is smaller, so it's going to be green. So it's just a fun little Christmas page doing the skills that we're already doing in math. Okay, so I do want you to finish the page. I'll finish it later. And let's go ahead and do 2 pages. So now these are patterns. We've been working on patterns all year. We do patterns every single morning when we do the calendar. I'm pretty sure we've done all these patterns. If not, we'll go over it. Okay, make an AB pattern. Well, I just picked a few crayons. Some of my crayons are broken, but I think it'll be okay. I got a teeny tiny little green and a red. Those are my Christmas colors, but if it's an ABC pattern, we're gonna need 3, so I got a yellow out too, kind of like our Christmas bells. This is an AB pattern, so I could go red, green, or I could go green, red, green, red. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color this light red and this one green, red, green, red, green. Well, since I have the red in my hand to save time, I'm just gonna skip this one. I'll do all my reds. I'll just put my finger on the other one so I don't get mixed up. So right now it's red, white, but I'll go back and do those green, okay? It just saves a little time. If you want to do red and then green and then red and then green, that's okay, but you will see it'll take longer that way. All right, so I got red, green, And we'll talk about all the patterns, but I may not color all of them. Okay, make an ABC pattern. So now I'm gonna have to add another color. So my color is gonna be yellow. Maybe you wanna add purple or something, or blue. All right, so I'm gonna color this package red. Why don't I start with green since I started with red last time? So this package is gonna be green. This package is gonna be red. And this package is gonna be yellow. A, B, C. And then we repeat that pattern, A, B, C. So my colors are green, red, yellow. Now, I know parents, this looks easy when I'm doing it, but sometimes when the kids go to do it, they're just coloring away and all of a sudden they go green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, 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 red, green. And they do get goofed up so it easily. So it's good to go back. Green, red, yellow. Green, red, yellow. We're going to repeat. If you need to go back to the beginning. Green, red, yellow. Red, yellow. I might go back and color those bows when I'm done. Okay, now the next one is AAB, which is what we have on our calendar right now with our gingerbread present. Gingerbread present. So what I'm going to do is I pick two colors. I'll go ahead and do my red and green again. And this time I'm going to go two reds. Red, red, green. Red, red, green. Red, red, green. Red, red, green. So let me go do those greens. Now the next one, oops, I did yellow. Doesn't matter, right? Still AAB. Okay, AAB, 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 red, red, yellow, red, red, yellow. Now we get to do ABB. So now it's one. I'm going to go one green. That's A. And then two B's. Red, red. One A and two B's. One green and two reds. One green and two reds. I am doing most of this with you guys because it's actually hard enough when the kids, even if they're following mine, sometimes it's hard for them to remember it. Okay, I'm gonna do this super quick and then I'll show you. This is the ABB pattern. ABB, green, red, red, green, red, red, green, red, red. This one says make your own pattern and this one says make your own pattern. So you could do an AB pattern or ABB or ABC, okay, whatever you want. And on the cookies, you get to do your own pattern too. And that doesn't mean that you're just gonna like color them all different colors, right? You wanna have a pattern. I'll be able to see that you have a pattern. That's it. We're just doing the 2 Christmas pages in the math packet today for fun. Good job.